Portable boring machines are widely used in cranes, excavators, bulldozers, tractors, offshore platforms, ship machines, storage tanks, and more. The BD40 boasts a bore shaft diameter of 40 millimeters and in-hole machining diameters ranging from 42 millimeters to 400 millimeters for boring, and 65 millimeters to 400 millimeters for welding. Featuring AC and DC servo motors, the BD40 offers a wide speed range, excellent speed stability, compact design, and high efficiency. The BD40 portable boring machine is your ultimate solution for efficient machinery repairs. With its advanced features and capabilities, it simplifies the repair process, delivering exceptional results with precision and reliability. Whether it's restoring bores or repairing surfaces, the BD40 empowers operators to achieve superior repair outcomes, prolonging the lifespan and functionality of valuable equipment. The control panel is simple and user-friendly. No complex settings. Just focus on the task at hand. Every component is designed for tough field conditions. Weld-on brackets, alignment tools, and secure mounts ensure a solid and safe setup. With the BD40, jobs are finished faster, cleaner, and on-site. No extra transport, no delays, no added cost.